Happy Valentine's Day, Billy. Here's your card.
Thanks, Charlie. Here's yours.
Thank you, Billy. Let's be pals?
Carmen, here's your Valentine's Day card.
Thanks, Billy. Here's yours.
Thanks.
What does your card say, Carmen? Nothing? Yes, it does. Let me see. You're always on my mind, Valentine? Billy likes you? No, he doesn't. Here's your Valentine's Day card, Charlie. Do you have a card for me? I can't find your card. Oh, that's okay. Happy Valentine's Day, Charlie. You're not my best friend anymore, Carmen.